Hello everyone, how you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo laptop here. This one is a Lenovo B41-30, also known as simply as a B41. So the model, the B41-30, is at the back sticker under the laptop, which tells you the name is B41-30. The model name is an 80LF. In this video, I'm going to take you guys over on how to replace your keyboard. If your keyboard have a few keys are not working, or simply you drop water on top and you just want to replace the whole keyboard, or you want to sell it, you want to replace it, I'll leave the link for a new keyboard on my video description if I can find one. And it's really simple to replace the keyboard. The keyboard replaces from the top, and very simple to do it. Alright, the tools that you're going to be needing are two things: a screwdriver and opening tool. The screwdrivers, I recommend you guys to grab the UFIXTEK screwdriver set. You can get the Pro version, which will include you with an opening tools and tweezers and pliers, tweezers and some wristband stuff. But if you don't want to spend too much money, just get the screwdriver set with a Phillips #1. And for the opening tool, I'm going to be using a guitar pick. A metallic guitar pick is really suitable to opening covers, electronics, anything like that. At the bottom of the laptop, first thing first, we want to remove the battery by pulling this trigger to the left side, hold this one to the right, and slide out the battery. Next, we want to remove these three screws. They do come with a logo of the keyboard logo, so go ahead and remove these three screws. The screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Also, this one does remove the caddy right here. If you want to replace your DVD drive with another one, you can buy one and just press it in here. The screw holds the caddy for the DVD. Once you remove the three screws, you want to open up the laptop, and up here you want to stick the opening tool between the F6 and F7, and you just want to move it towards the screen, just like that. And you want to put your finger underneath and work yourself to the corner, and do the right and left side all the way to the corner. And now you just want to, from the middle, bring it up so it gives this curvature to the keyboard, and it will snap the clips on the sides. Then once you bring it up, move it back towards the screen, and you want to see this flex cable, the big flex cable, and there's a lock right in here, the hinge. This flex cable is being clamped right here. To unclamp it, you have to put your fingernail right at the back here on this black cover and lift it up 90 degrees. So bring it up is really simple, just 90 degrees, and the flex cable should slide back towards the screen. So this is your keyboard, and the model number for this keyboard is 25214517. I'll try to get the link for this keyboard, but let's say that you got the keyboard in. You want to put it in offset position. Make sure this blue plastic is facing upward. Bring it down, slide it toward the jack. Make sure it goes evenly all the way through. Once the ribbon is in there, you just want to hold it down and lock it down right there. The white line should be right at the edge of the black cover. And then grab it. You want to place the bottom side of the keyboard on the palm rest, underneath the palm rest, slide it down there. Next, you want to put your finger at the middle so it doesn't go down. And you want to curve it down on this side so it snaps on the side, so it has a little clips. Just push it down on the edge. Make sure you hit those clicks and hold it down with your pinky. Bring this one here and do the same thing on this side. Make sure you hit those two clicks and then let go, and then snap down the top row right at the edge. And you should hear a few clicks. Once you did that, now you want to close down the laptop, flip it upside down, and put the three screws at the bottom cover. Again, if you guys like my videos and help you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking the like and subscribing to my channel. It will greatly help and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer your questions. I really appreciate it. And last thing will be to put the battery and lock it down. And this is how you upgrade your keyboard or replace your keyboard for your Lenovo B41 laptop. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.